Our unrivaled output and document management solution is delivered as SaaS through Formpipe Cloud. Using the scalable and dynamic hosting method gives your organization access to a wide variety of benefits and features that allow you to work smarter, not harder.
Whether you're working from your office, your home, or on the go, we've made Formpipe Cloud easy to use. With the latest standards in cloud security, you no longer need to use complicated VPNs to ensure safe access to your environments. Formpipe Cloud is always kept up to date with the latest features and technology. And the best bit is that we streamline and fully automate all of it, so you don't have to configure or manage any hardware, saving you time and money compared to a traditional on-premise solution.
The Formpipe Cloud team are experts using LaserNet and AutoFormVM and bring their incredible knowledge and experience to provide you with the best service and support possible. We understand that your organisation needs to run smoothly, and that's why we provide around-the-clock monitoring of all services, enabling us to quickly identify and resolve any issues that may arise before they can impact you. You can also expect top-notch performance, redundancy, and resilience, as our solution is built on Microsoft Azure, one of the most reliable and efficient cloud platforms available, and one which our expert team is certified in using.
At Formpipe, we have an unwavering commitment to security. Our cloud solution is ISO 27001 compliant, meeting the international standard for information security management. Additionally, encryption is used at rest and in transit, providing you with peace of mind knowing that your data is always secure. Moreover, Formpipe Cloud also uses auto-rotating certificates for public communication, as well as undergoing regular penetration testing to ensure that our solution is secured against the latest vulnerabilities.
So when it comes to digital output and document management, Formpipe Cloud delivers you the ultimate experience in a highly effective, secure, and streamlined way. All backed up by our team of cloud experts who will help you to work smarter, not harder. To find out more, head to formpipe.com and book your demo today.